Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you guys are new. This is definitely going to be a little more informal type of video. Like literally I'm upstairs in the guest bedroom, which is like a disaster right now. I still have to put like those sheets back on the bed. Like there's just stuff everywhere, so I apologize, but you guys, I just couldn't wait. Also, my room's a disaster, so that's why I'm not filming in there. But again, I just could not wait to film this video, so we're just gonna do it right now. So as you guys can already tell by like the thumbnail and the title, I went into Bath & Body Works today and I got a fun little surprise. First of all, like I did go semi-annual sale shopping, which the semi-annual sale bags are here finally. I wish they were here at the beginning of the sale, but I guess now they're here, so it's fine. Anyways, with that being said, semi-annual sale haul for week 2 will be coming, I think, probably like tomorrow, to be honest. But for today's video, you guys, I got my hands on the brand new candle from Bath & Body Works that's coming out for fall 2023, and that is the Blueberry Pumpkin Patch candle. I was like, hold up, I second guessed myself for a second. Yes, you guys, Blueberry Pumpkin Patch. I'm just excited right now. I have no words. Did I pay full price for this? I did. So I will be saving my receipt because the sales associate, aka my friend as well, she told me that there should be like a candle sale by the end of like this week for the weekend. So I will be holding on to my receipt so I can go get my candle price adjusted, but you guys are not ready for this. This candle is called Blueberry Pumpkin Patch. I love the candle wax. I love the jar style. At first when I did see it online, I kind of wasn't the biggest fan, but it is giving me some more like old BBW vibes as far as like packaging goes, and I just think it's so cute, you guys. Like it's just very whimsical and I love it. The candle wax does kind of remind me of like the blueberry maple pancake like wax that we've had in the past, but I do like it. I don't mind it at all. So Blueberry Pumpkin Patch has notes of farm fresh blueberries, ripe pumpkin, and autumn spice. Now you guys, a lot of people were thinking, is it gonna be like a repackage for blueberry maple pancakes? In my opinion, this is completely different. Now, this candle does have that same blueberry that blueberry maple pancakes does have, but they are completely different scents. Alright, now you guys are gonna think I'm crazy for this, but I'm pretty confident in my answer that I'm about to tell you guys right now. But I think this guy smells like black licorice. I don't know if it's just me, but I'm smelling black licorice on cold, y'all. Now, of course, I have yet to burn this candle, but I'm definitely getting like a black licorice vibe to this. And I'm not mad about it. Like, I do like it. Like, it's very spicy for sure. And again, fresh blueberries, ripe pumpkin, and autumn spice. Blueberries, of course, is in there, but that autumn spice really do be kicking through. But it's definitely giving me like a black licorice type of vibe. Candle wax is this like nice, like almost like a neutral type of dark blue type of color. And then we do have our core wicks in here, not thin, not thick, just regular. Also, going back to the packaging, I love the lid. It's a nice, beautiful gold lid that has this fun, like engraved type of pumpkin action going on. I'm so sorry about the reflection, but it's beautiful, y'all. Now, this guy does retail for $25.95, which is actually nice. Instead of like the $26.95, you're saving like about $1 there. I think it's nice, y'all. I'm excited to burn this. I'm gonna have a full in-depth review for you guys probably by the end of the week, so make sure to stay tuned. If you haven't already, subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.
I'm not